How to watch movies on Plex. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Plex app on your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app Plex and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be directed to this page. You'll get two options, sign up for free or sign in. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of sign up for free and then go through the registration process. In the case you already have an account, click on sign in. Now from here, select any of these options. You can continue with Apple, Facebook, Google or email. Select the option that you have used for creating your account. Once you continue with the process, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home page. Now here you're going to find tons of movie options. Just scroll down and check out the movies. Also, you will see the search icon given at the top right corner. Over there, you can type in the movie name that you want to watch. With that, movie options will appear. Click on the movie that you want to watch. Now, scrolling down here, you're going to find all the episodes. You can just click on it. With that, it's going to play and you can watch it. So this way, you can easily watch movies on Plex. By applying the same steps, you can also search for other movies and watch it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.